other Meticore reviews won't tell you, as I have bought and used the Meticore weight loss supplement myself, and I have seen loads of Meticore review videos with a lot of them making some huge claims. So I decided to do mine and be honest with you guys based on my personal experience and share my before and after pictures. Most importantly, I will also walk you guys through the scam I discovered when I was trying to buy my Meticore supplement, and I will explain in detail what the scam is and how you can avoid it. So right before I share my experience, let me explain the scam I discovered and how it works. So please make sure you listen so that you do not fall victim to this like I did. So what these scammers do is that they know that Meticore weight loss supplement is getting some serious attention on the internet and the popularity is increasing, so they have gone ahead and created a fake website that looks almost the same as the real official Meticore website. So they will make it look like you are getting up to 90% discount on the Meticore supplement. So when you actually do buy from their website, they will take your payment information and make as many withdrawals as possible, and then of course not send you any supplement. This scam actually made me lose about $680, which was in my PayPal account. So guys, please make sure you are staying away from these scam sites, because to make it safe for you guys, in fact, I have put the link to the Meticore official website in the description box down below. That's the link where I bought mine. So let me walk you through my experience. I was that person that was becoming ashamed to go out. I was gaining weight day by day, and I got very uncomfortable with my body because I didn't know where the fat was coming from. At times in the office, I had my colleagues actually, making some side jokes about me and all of that. So also my boyfriend was not really helpful either. He kept asking me how I gained so much weight, and he was not supportive, and it was not good for my mental health, so I just had to end it. And it became even worse when we started staying at home because of COVID-19. It was really affecting my confidence, and I tried to cut on my diet, but it was very difficult. But I tried, and yet it did not work. I tried several weight loss pills as well, and they did not work for me either. So my sister came back one day and saw that I was feeling down, and as I have been for a while now, and she told me that her colleague in the office, who has actually lost some great deal of weight because of a supplement that he was using called Meticore. Well, at first I was hesitant, although desperate, so I accepted to try it. So to cut long story short, I lost about 25 pounds within 9 weeks of using Meticore supplement, as you can see my before and after pictures on the screen. So my before picture was me at about 165 pounds, while my after picture was me at about 140 pounds. So I can tell that the supplement actually worked for me. Well, now you know why I'm so happy to give you guys a review of this product. So now let me tell you about the pros and cons that I noticed while using the Meticore supplement. And so one of the first things I noticed was that I really, started getting better sleep after using Meticore. I noticed that my sleep got a lot better, to be honest. I could sleep longer than I used to, and when I wake up, I feel strong and energized. That is definitely a plus point for me. Another thing I would say is that my body metabolism, I still eat and whatever I want to, and my exercises do not have to be strenuous, or I don't have to do gene workouts to start losing weight. So yeah, most importantly, it has improved my body metabolism, and that's the key of permanent weight loss results. That's why Meticore is so effective. And another thing is that I want to mention is that all Meticore ingredients are 100% natural. So this means that there are no side effects. And what also makes it safe to use is the fact that Meticore supplement is FDA approved. And what is also amazing is that Biotech Gold supplement has 100% no questions asked money back guarantee, which means you're buying at no risk. If the product does not work for you, you can easily ask for a refund. Well, now let's talk about the cons. I noticed the fact that there are loads of fake websites that are trying to scam people for their money. So you need to be careful of those promising too much discount, like I said earlier. So please, if you decide to try it out, I would recommend use the official website that is mentioned in the description below. The link is there. Another bad thing you may not like about the supplement is that the results vary. So my friend brought the supplement as well, and she started seeing results only after about 9 weeks, while based on other reviews, some can start seeing results as early as 4 weeks. So the supplement actually works, but I should warn you that do not expect fast results, because it took me about 6 weeks of consistent intake as prescribed to actually start noticing visible results. So you have to be patient with yourself and the supplement. And yeah, so you can now decide if you want to use the supplement yourself, but I would strongly recommend it for you, definitely, because it worked for me and I don't see why it shouldn't work for you. Just please remember, if you do decide to buy this weight loss supplement, make sure you are using the link that to make sure you are safe, as I don't want you to lose money like I did. So yeah, great, that is it for my review of the Metacore supplement. Please make sure you like and share this video to also help to be safe, and comment down below if you have any questions at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.